So we're going to install the 47605-42S, which is the Premium Hinged door. It's a vented door for the 42-inch Structured Media Center. Here's the door. Double check that we have everything with it before I put the box away. Don't throw it away right away. Make sure you have the screws and all the instruction materials. So included with the door, which can be mounted either to swing towards the right or by rotating it over to swing towards the left. We're going to mount it this way. You can mount it either direction. In order to install it, I'll remove the screws. We're going to need these screws. The door is built so that it has a bevel around the outside, or a bezel around the outside, that will cover up the rough edges of the drywall and provide a clean finish look. We have keyhole slotted holes at the top. So we'll start by inserting partially the two top screws. We'll use a power drill for this, a power driver for this. Be careful with these, that you at least get it started before you drive it in. We'll start it by hand. Once I know it's started, then we'll drive it in. And we'll leave it sticking out about a ½ an inch. Give us something to work with here. Good. Now this will hang on those screws to take the weight. There you go. Now it may tend to tip over like this. That is okay. We're going to secure it in place with the remaining screws. Don't tighten any of the screws until all of the screws are inserted into the Structured Media Center. Okay, I'm just going to start these screws by hand. Make sure that they're not cross-threaded. And then drive them in. Again, leaving them nice and loose for now. All right, all the screws have started. This frame will sit, the outer frame of the door will sit just inside the edge of the enclosure. To seal up around the edge, make sure that it's all squared up, and start tightening up the screws carefully. Just gonna snug them down until they're touching. And I'll finish it by hand so as not to overdo it. All right, we just want to bring this thing in so that bring the screw in so that we close this gap along the top edge here. That's it. To open the door, you push the two latches back. This gives you full access to the interior.